Hello, I'm Callie Burstenhilbert.
I'm also Callie Greskowitz.
Okay. What's going on here?
So these are our tanks. Our group is in charge of taking care of these tanks. I work with my friend Maddie on cleaning this tank. We have a fish in here. It does not currently have a name, but this is the tank. So each week we go through and we do a quick water strip test like this, and the strip test measures pH, nitrites, carbon hardness, and general hardness of the water. And then we also perform a ammonia test, which is from the master kit. So we actually take a water sample and then we add 8 drops of the ammonia 1 test and 8 drops of the ammonia 2, and that will give us results. Based on the results of those tests, we will figure out what needs to be added to the water that week. So we have pH reducers, and this is an almond leaf extract. This also, I believe, reduces the hardness. A stabilizer. There's a water softener pillow that will go up in this part of it that will soften the water if the water is too hard. And then each week we take out some of the water and add in fresh water. Do you want to explain why we don't take all of it out?
So we want to make sure that the fish can still have some water to like swim around in. Yeah. We also have snails that clean the inside of the tanks, so they're super helpful with keeping the tanks clean. Occasionally we do take like the plants and the little like houses to take them out and clean. And then our goal is to plant plants in the top of the tanks, because then the fish will be able to eat some of the plants that comes down, and then the poop will be able to help the plants grow.
So is this supposed to be simulating a natural system?
Yes. This is a very small scale version of what we have over here.
So we have fish in a tank over there, and then the water.
So this is just a much smaller scale system, and so the system now actually has everything it needs except the plants. So the plants will be the final piece in the system.
Yeah.
They create everything. We did have plants in them at one point, but then they were harvested, and everyone decided it was a good idea to plant new seeds. So we will have new seeds going in soon. But each week after we've taken all the tests, half of the water comes out, and then it's replaced with fresh conditioned water that is conditioned so it won't be too much. And we also will gently wipe down the sides for some of the algae.
Yeah.
Some of the algae is good because
yeah,
it's
like
what the snail eats.
green algae is good, but brown algae
And red algae
So
are not good.
do you get a grade for your work?
No, we don't. We just try to do the best we can.